timeless treasures for our hearts. Adventures and travels written in the stars, painting countless wonderful memories. This is Jarek and Kim Stories.
Hello, good morning. It's day 2 of our Taipei travel. So for this day, we booked the North Coast tour. So for the North Coast tour, maraming ways actually. Pwede nyo rin i-DIY, pwede nyong i-private car, but for this one, we took yung sa bus, yung bigger group, no, via Klook. Kasi I think it's more convenient. Yun na rin mga suggestions ng mga ibang mga travel vloggers. But it's still 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. yung meet up doon sa station, exit 5 ng Shifen Station. So dahil 7 a.m. pa, we have 1 hour, so we will go to Ximending to find some breakfast. I think magsascallion pancake kami. So tara. So ganito yung itsura ng Ximending kapag early morning. It's 7 a.m. Monday. We decided ito yung breakfast namin.
大概要加什么酱料？或者sauce，OK sauce，或者sauce还不，garlic sauce
Beef yung pinili namin.
barbecue garlic sauce。would you like spicy? Yes. Okay.
Dahil super special ang kinuha namin kaya sobrang laki niya. So tip dito is, since dalawa naman kami, per food item na gusto namin i-try, isa lang yung in-order namin o paghahatian lang namin para mas marami kaming mabibili, mas marami kaming matitik. Next namin ita-try is itong scallion pancakes.
One scallion pancakes here.
Yung napili naming stall, parang isang option lang siya, hindi siya kagaya ng yung marami mga add-ons. Kaya siguro wala masyadong tao, pero anyway, yun na lang pa rin pinili namin kasi nga baka kapusin kami sa oras. And tatry namin. Medyo iba rin yung itsura niya sa compare sa nakikita namin online. Mas ano ito, mas darker. I don't know if mas masarap ba to or I guess we'll have to know. Go babe.
Masarap naman. Tasty pa rin. Kita niyo yung itlog. Pinatong na siya sa parang scallion pancake. So yeah. Try niyo guys. Paano?
Okay, ako naman gonna try. Yung dough part is chewy. Yung itlog is lasang itlog. But sarap siya.
So yung kinain namin kanina medyo heavy yun. Pero this one is parang nasa middle lang.
Bili muna tayong drinks. Starbucks?
Yes.
Magsa-Starbucks kami. 7:30 mag-open.
And 7:30 na talaga.
Kasi sa kakabook namin ng may mga free vouchers pero i-claim lang namin. I think may discount or buy one take one something. So tingnan lang namin. And also kailangan talaga ng coffee to start the day. So dito na Starbucks. morning. Ay. Sorry.
Marag 60 pesos mo.
Hindi ako. So, nabili na namin yung coffee. We'll start heading back na lang dun sa meeting point. Andyan, malapit na yung exit 5. So, may nakita kami, ganito pala dito sa Taipei, may mga free drinking fountain. Which is, I think, dapat talaga kasi sobrang init minsan. So, drinking fountain talaga siya. Hindi siya tubig lang na tubig. You can really drink from it. Let's go!
Or rocks, okay, such as this one, the Queen set. And then one way in, one way back. Okay, so you see the beautiful Pacific Ocean and
Making timeless treasures for our hearts, adventures and travels written in the stars, painting countless wonderful memories. This is Jerick and Kim Stories.
okay.
Shishi.
You pass the forest, lots of trees, the buildings you are going to see. So the stage, and after you pass the stage, there will be the entrance. There will be the room one. Right in the room one, the publisher rock.
We just got inside the sa entrance lang. Sorry. Yehliu Geopark. In-scan lang nila yung QR code from Klook and then diretso na, wala nang tickets or something. So diretso na pasok. So lakad lang kami. So hindi namin alam. Asan yung map? Itong natapos na yung shady part ng mga trees. Dito na talaga tayo sa mga rock formation. Ang init, grabe.
Hindi naman talaga may dala kaming payong, guys. Na-anticipate na talaga namin yung init.
Pupunta kayo ng summer, umbrella is a must, sunscreen is a must. Wait, basa muna tayo ng map.
Yan o, yung pinsel.
Oh, okay. Yan.
Kita niyo na guys. Pero malayo pa parang maliit sa video, pero papunta pa kami doon. Yun yung una namin pupuntahan.
Diretso kami sa Queen's Head. Kasi yun yung pinakasikat. Kumbaga, kung di mo man mapipicturean lahat ng rock formations, at least man lang yun. Kasi parang yun yung main attraction. Kasi I think I've read somewhere na it's not going to last na yung head. At some point, mga siguro maybe a few years, papuputol na yung head niya. Sobrang init.
Ayun.
Skip the line.
Sige ko.
Anong klaseng tree kaya to? Parang bakawan.
Nasa Wow, cute.
The right side on the trail. Yan, dito na angle, it's ano talaga siya, queen side talaga siya, naka side view. So, yung crown nasa likod niya. Ang nipis-nipis na ng neck niya, guys. So I think yan yung at some point mababali. A few years maybe.
Klaro mo?
0.5 and 1.
Ang layo
And
ka
two.
2.5. Pero lalaki. Ganda. Yan yung queen. Bye. Parang tubol lang.
Sige, pak.
Aura, pak, boom, kiss, start. Okay na yun. Ate kami dito.
Yes po, yes po. Ikaw din.
Kiss pa. Tapos
Bye, Queen's Head. May na-meet kami mga friends na galing din Mindanao. Sila nag-take ng pictures namin.
kami din sa kanila.
Helping out each other.
Grabe, ang init.
Mainit siya pero at least may
Hangin.
may hangin. Humahaba na yung pila sa Queen's Head. So swerte kami medyo
Early.
medyo maikli yung This is the guerrilla formation. We decided to take a rest muna. You can see dito sa dito kasi tayo. Dito na tayo banda. Ay, sobrang init talaga.
Medyo nag-zone out na ako kasi grabe, init talaga. Pero mamaya naman, pagdating sa bus, malamig naman and iinom kami ng maraming tubig. Looking forward for that water.
Magpapromise ako sa self ko na babalik ako dito na mga October or November yung malamig. Kasi I think you can enjoy it better if hindi ganito kainit. Pero kahit ganito kainit, maganda naman talaga yung lugar. Worth it naman pa rin. No. Sana sale din yung entrance kapag summer. I don't know if may But kapag kunyari ito nasa lilim lang, tas may hangin naman, di naman ganang relaxing pa rin naman siya. Kaya lang kapag lalabas ka dito sa tirik na araw, masakit talaga yung tama ng araw.
Nakapag-apply kami kanina ng sunscreen, but sadly, naiwan ko siya sa hotel. So hindi kami makaka-reapply. Maghahanap na lang kami later ng mapagbibilhan ng sunscreen. So sana meron, kasi kailangan talaga mag-reapply. Grabe. Kung ayaw mong masunog.
Diyan, may mga rock formations pa dyan. Ito na yung princess?
Princess.
Princess Rock Formation. So pag naputol na si Queen, siya ang bagong kokoranahan. Kasi para matibay pa yung leeg niya. Yun yung heart. Yun, over there. That's heart. May mga nagpapapicture. Hindi na kami magpapapicture, sobrang init eh. But maganda talaga siya guys. Malalaki siya. Pero may instruction sa amin na bawal silang hawakan. So, malaki talaga. Just for reference ito. Tara, punta tayo. Ano ba ito? This is the broccoli. Joke lang. Ano ba yun? Punta tayo dun. Okay pa ba? Sobrang init guys. So I think satisfied na kami sa pinaggagawa namin dito. Sobrang init talaga. So babalik na kami doon sa may exit para mag-antay na lang sa bus. Ito yung Queen's Head na ano siya, man-made version. I think ginawa nila to preserve kumbaga the memories, just in case na mawawala na talaga yung totoong Queen's Head. This is a replica. Ito yung Queen's Head over the years. Starting sa 1960, lumiliit yung leeg niya. Nagda-diet siya, guys. Pero sa 2025 naka-tears na, tsaka so naka-tears siya, payat na. Meron din pala silang souvenir shop, which is air conditioned. Very helpful.
So this is the first one, and then how about the second one? Shifen, right? Okay, so the Shifen waterfall.
So nakadating na tayo sa second stop, which is the Shifen waterfall.
Mainit pa rin guys, pero medyo relax na kami kasi
Galing aircon ng bus.
magpipicture lang.
Hi guys, waterfall.
This is the small waterfall.
Yes, waterfall photo taking.
Cute.
I'm kidding.
Ito yung sabi niyang coffee shop.
Coffee shop,
Oh, kung ayaw mo daw
maglakad.
pwede ka magstay dito sa coffee shop. Pero kung gusto mo naman na mag-explore and makita yung waterfall,
So ito yung ano.
Hi
nakita ko
guys, I come closer. So, touch this brain. This is one of the popular, like a herbal brain. Taiwan, you can use your hand to touch it. And then after
Wow, ganda ng bridge.
Go, go, go!
Wow. Wow.
ang mga birthplace.
Suspension bridge talaga siya. Gumagalaw.
Matakot yung isang bawat. Sorry.
May ano, trucks, rail trucks sa gilid.
Lalabas ko sa
Yeah, hi guys. That waterfall, restroom, finish this way back. Thank you. Hi, let's move over here.
ganda.
Waterfall.
Wow. Ang ganda ng waterfall. Jiufen waterfall.
Philippine pineapple cannot touch, right? So I can touch it. I cannot, right?
Dagan sa kulumulok.
There's something more, right? There's a difference like yours, right? So
Ang
you
difference daw kay walay filter.
difference. Yes, that's right. Smelling. See? That's why I told you. See? So, yeah. So Taiwan mango is very popular. Yeah, this is a street. One or two?
One
Kain namin ng
only.
sausage.
Hi, are you going to pay here?
Yeah, okay.
Ang init. papawisan na naman. Yeah.
Guys,
Ito yung sausage nila dito.
sobrang refreshing ng mango nila. Sarap.
Parang ham. Parang ham.
Iba rin yung nakain namin kagabi na sausage, yung may sticky rice.
Ito yung mangoes
Sarap.
nila. Mas malalaki kasi yung mangoes nila dito. Ayaw makuha.
So, sobrang smoky ng taste ng
Ang
sausage.
tamis ng mango. And this one, very, very helpful kasi malamig.
Sarap. Kain tayo.
Papunta na kami ng Shifen Old Street. Marami din mga food stalls. So ang Shifen pala guys, ang ibig sabihin niya is 10 person. Shi meaning 10, so 10 person. Dahil very long time ago daw, 10 persons lang daw yung dito to start for work. Then later on dumami sila.
Let's check it out. So Taiwan Street.
Hello.
And then I check it out. So move forward down here, so you can see a little bit of amenity store. You find it? Okay.
Hi guys, this is round, so if you have to buy the games, you can consider just chicken luncheon, the winter melon. So if you don't like winter melon, but if you want, so the IT they give you the discount, and then they give you the free.
Ngayon hahanapin lang namin kung saan namin nabili saan namin kukunin yung lantern. Okay. Papunta tayo doon kasi in decreasing yung number papunta doon. Number 94 kasi yung store na nakuha naman. 96. Oh, over there. So nakita na namin ang shop. Ito ang shop na kumbaga dito naka-tie up yung sa club namin.
Sige. You write with gold.
Ano ito? Sa red.
Oh, about health and peace.
Milk tea.
Financial stability and overflowing wealth. Charas. Dapat dollars. AUD.
along the Riles.
Pitaw! Okay, dito.
Tapos na kami magpalipad ng lantern. Nabigyan na rin yung lunch namin. Ito yung lunch namin. Then, bumili lang kami ng drinks dito sa store na to. Sarap na ba?
Stuffed pala siya.
Stuffed pala siya. Okay. Kanya-kanyang diskarte na lang kayo. Gusto kasi naman makaupo. Pumasa kami dito sa milk tea shop. Ano yan?
Winter melon lemon tea.
Pansin ko sa mga milk tea dito sa Taiwan, di masyadong lubog sa ice. Yung sa atin kasi halos ice na lang, ice, tas may konting milk. Dito milk tea talaga, then yung ice, ang purpose lang niya is para talaga lumamig yung drinks.
Sarap ng iced tea.
See you.
Okay,
16.
please put in.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Share.
Let's try it. So this flavor is mango and milk.
Sumasabi sa bibig mo yung flavor ng peanut. May nagtatrabaho sa likod.
Brain freeze. Masarap.
Nagkaligaw-ligaw kami. Pero pag check namin sa map, andito lang pala siya.
Would you like to take a picture here? Yeah. Come on. So, give me your...
Tao.
Tapos tingnan yung view guys. Ang ganda ng view. Tapos nasa doon papunta yung teahouse. Yung sikat na teahouse. Babe. Dahil sa sobrang init guys. Pumasok muna kami sa isang parang restaurant dito para mag lemonade and ano yun?
Lemon tea pa rin. This one is more.
Kasi air condition, so maka-rest. Then kain na rin. Actually hindi kami gutom pero no choice. Hinga muna kasi matagal-tagal pa yung meet up time. Tapos na kami. nag-freshen up a little, nag-rest doon sa air-conditioned na
Teahouse.
sort of cafe, teahouse. Yeah. So, pwede na daw dito daanin pababa yung sa may 7-Eleven. Kasi magbi-meet kasama yung tour guide. Ito yung mga makikita mo dito. Ganda talaga tingnan pag yung mga brick houses. Lanterns. Ito yung temple. Wait. Wow. Ang ganda tingnan. Anyway, gotta go. The North Coast tour is coming to an end. Papunta na kami sa bus stop. Diyan namin naantayin yung bus pa uwi. Haggard.
Haggard. So much.
Hello, so kakatapos lang ng North Coast tour. Umuwi kami sandali para mag-rest sandali and then mag-freshen up. And ngayon, pupunta kami ng Chun Shui Tang sa Taipei Main Station, malapit. Since nandito kami sa Shifen, pumunta kami sa may bus station dito. Taga-antay kami ng bus papunta doon. Pababa kami sa isang mall yata ito. I think so. Nakapunta dito sa B2 para hanapin namin yung Chun Shui Tang na Taipei Main Station branch. Oh, ang ganda dito. Naalala ko tuloy yung South Korean. So, ito yung in-order namin, yung braised beef noodle, itong deep fried chicken, and itong sesame pork belly. Go, try it. Try ko din muna ito.
Sauce pala.
Sesame talaga ito. Perfectly balanced ang flavor. Di maalat, hindi rin matabang. Next week to try is
Chicken.
cheers. Speechless. Very crunchy, parang flavor bomb pag umabot sa bibig mo. Pag chew mo, talagang sasabog yung iba't ibang flavors ng mga spices. Hindi ko alam kung anong spices ba ito, pero grabe, sobrang sarap. Tingnan mo.
Pickled. Ano ba ito?
Ngayon, I will try the beef, braised beef. Init. Cheers, guys. Very soft and tamang-tama yung consistency ng noodle. Okay, so kami nga, baby. Sobrang sarap, guys. Try. So, itatry ko naman ito, yung pearl milk tea nila. So, if I'm not mistaken, isa to sa mga pinaka first, I think, if not the first, na naka-invent ng boba. Sorry. Ilang sweetness ito? 80%? So 80% sweetness. I think tama siya for me. Sarap. Parang hindi masarap sana order lang. Anyway, so yun lang. Tapusin na namin to. Thank you for staying with us. Bye-bye.